स्टार्ट करते हैं 101 से। द हार्मोन कंसर्न विथ रेगुलेशन ऑफ बेसिक मेटाबॉलिक रेट इज थायरोक्सिन। द पैराथार्मोन रेगुलेट्स द ब्लड concentration of calcium. The adrenal gland is situated in on upper pole of kidney. Which one of these is a naturally occurring glucocorticoids? Is hardocortisone. इसको cortisol भी बोलते हैं. The enzyme renin is secreted by kidney. Aldosterone is concerned with maintenance of electrolytes balance. The adrenaline और noradrenaline are secreted by adrenal medulla से secret होते हैं. Insulin is released by pancreas. वो भी बीटा Langerhans की. Beta cells of itself of Langerhans in pancreas produce hormone is insulin. ये आ गया. In diabetic mellitus the level of sucrose increase in the blood. सुक्रोज का लेवल बढ़ जाता है. Melatonin is secreted by pineal gland. Graves' disease is related to hyperthyroidism. Diabetes insipidus occur due to deficiency of antidiuretic hormone जिसको vasopressin भी बोलते हैं. Tetany is related to hypocalcemia. Cushing syndrome is associated with the excess activity of mineralocorticoids. Addison disease is related to adrenal gland. Oxytocin is secreted by posterior pituitary से. Increase in blood pressure is due to noradrenaline. Paget disease is characterized by softness of weight-bearing bones. The shoulder joint is a type of ball and socket joint. Movement of only flexion and extension is allowed in hinge joint. Knee joint is a type of hinge joint. The deposition of sodium urate crystal in joint leads to disease gout. Synovial joint includes hip joints. The total number of bones present in the body is 206. The collarbone is clavicle. The terminal portion of vertebral column is called coccyx. The air is supplied with cranial nerve number is 8. The tympanic membrane acts as eardrum. Vestibule is present in internal ear. Which one of these resembles a snail shell is cochlea. Which cranial nerve is attached with the ear with the eye is fourth cranial nerve होती है जो eye से attach होती है. The light rays enter through cornea. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Naturally occurring male hormone is testosterone. Ovary release once in month. Female sex hormone is estradiol. Rods and cones are present in retina. Ciliary body in the eyeball is the extension of choroid or iris. In female, ovulation takes place in regular menstrual cycle on 14 days. Progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum. Myopia is corrected by concave lenses. Spermatozoa are formed in seminal vesicles. A person who cannot see object at far distance is having myopia. Parkinson's disease is due to the lesion in the basal ganglia. Rhodopsin is a pigment concerned with retina. If the person cannot see the near object, he is supposed to have hypermetropia. The increased intraocular pressure of eye produces glaucoma. Astigmatism is corrected by wearing cylindrical lenses. Vitreous humor is present in the eye in posterior chamber. Which part of brain is concerned with maintenance of posture and balance is cerebellum. Hypoglossal cranial nerve is related to movement of tongue. Bilirubin is present in the bile produced by liver. The number of cervical vertebrae is 7. Endoplasmic reticulum is the center of protein synthesis. Chromosomes are present in nucleus. Protein factories are ribosomes. Powerhouse of cell is mitochondria. Lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags. Blood is connective tissue. Sarcolemma is a covering of muscle fiber. Ligament joint क्या होती है? Bone to bone होती है ligament joints. Saliva contain ptyalin. Insulin is secreted by beta cells of island of Langerhans. Digestion of food is completed in small intestine. The end product of carbohydrate digestion is glucose. Lungs are covered by pleura. Breathing is controlled by the center in the medulla oblongata. Epiglottis guard the opening of larynx. Pacemaker of the heart is sinoatrial node SN node. The structural and functional unit of the kidney is nephron. Axial skeleton consists of 80 bones. Which type of antigen is present in blood group of universal donor? Is none of the above. The lymph fluid is colorless or clear white. In the ECG, relaxation of the ventricular muscle denoted by T wave. The heart gets oxygenated blood from coronary artery. The study of muscle is called myology. Goiter is produced by the deficiency of iodine. Thyroid hormone is thyroxine. It contains amino acid tyrosine. Ovaries produce estrogen and progesterones. Auditory nerve is responsible for hearing. The structural and functional unit of brain is neuron. How many pair of spinal nerve are in a man is 31. The body temperature is controlled by hypothalamus. Which one is the largest particulate of the cytoplasm is mitochondria. Which one of the heaviest particulate component of a cell is nucleus. The pH of urine is 6. The most active site of protein synthesis is the ribosomes. Mitochondria DNA is circular double stranded होती है ये. Golgi apparatus is forms glycoproteins.